Hello everyone. This is one of the common issue we are facing during our learning. So ideally, we'll not get this issue during real time in the projects. So let us debug. Let us identify what is the issue. So when I am posting a document, I am getting an error as global company TWG35 is not supported. Okay, that means what? There are two things here. As of now, we are in the beginning of learning, right? So we have seen company. Company means it can be a group company or it can be a company code. Okay. Now it is saying not supported. Why it is not supported? Okay. To check more details, I will double click on the issue. So it is saying that. So I have so much of message here. So mostly we can able to identify with this message. So ideally, I will try to go and check the configuration. Let me go to the configuration. You can able to understand. Otherwise, simply go to the configuration. Go to SPRO, IMG, go to enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting, define company. So where is our company? 35. Ideally, our company is 34 is available, but 35 is not available. That means we have created and we have assigned to our company code. We have created 35, but it's not showing now. And if I go and see the assignment, in assignment, so it is being available. So assignment is done, but company is not there. So assignment is done, company is not there. That means after assignment, someone might be created. Okay. After assignment, someone would have deleted it. Someone would have deleted it. So we are getting error. So what to do if someone deleted means in real time, we can track who has deleted, which user ID it has been deleted. So now we may track or we may not track. That's a different part. So click on this company. Now to resolve the issue, click this define company, new entries, the Wadia group, the Wadia group 35. This is the code, right? We are using for our project. TWG35 is not supported. So create again. The name is the Wadia group. So if you have the street, everything you can give. Otherwise, directly I'm giving postal code, city Mumbai, country, language, currency, enter, save, save. Okay. So this is how I have created, which was deleted. And I'll try to immediately, if you try to post, it may reflect or it may not reflect. So the best practice is don't try to post immediately. Go back, do once again the transaction, same transaction. It's a rent provision transaction, rent account, some value. It's a rent is an expenses, right? We have a cost element for this. So give the cost center. So text rent provision posting 50, 100, 200. Let me take star plus save. I mean post. You can simulate or you can post. Now the document is posted. The error has been resolved. Okay. So when you get an error, error is our friend. Okay, error is our friend in SAP. If you want to become a consultant, if you want to become a best consultant, then you should take that error, you should understand, you should analyze, okay, or analyze and then understand. Then try to do the backend, check the backend configurations, relevant configurations. So you will get the solution. And if you could able to find by yourself, your confidence levels will increase. Okay, all the best everyone.